Hi, this is Steve Nomura. This is a property I purchased a little over 3 weeks ago. It means we already started this project 3 weeks ago, and then what I'm going to explain to you what we are doing here. This is not the gut rehab. This is a kind of light rehab. We're not changing any structures. We are updating most of the areas of the house and then make this house looks new. Okay, I'm going to explain to you what you're doing here. All right, first, fortunately, exterior condition is pretty good. That's why we are not doing almost nothing outside. We are not changing roof. We are not doing any tuck pointing. Okay. Landscaping also pretty good. What we are doing is just exchanging. We are replacing entire windows on the first floor, second floor. And also, we do some concrete work in front of the garage. That's the only thing that exterior. And then most of the work are inside. Okay. Then first, what we did is electrical work. Okay, and then electrical work. If you look at the ceiling, we installed the 6 can lights, and then we installed the new electrical wiring in the entire house. And then also, besides, if you look at the old closet, there's lights, but there's no switch. Therefore, we installed a new switch of the old closet. Then we added several new lights in some areas. Then here, this is a kitchen. Then we took entire kitchen cabinet here. Also, we demolished the bathroom. Those are 2 areas we are making completely new one. Okay. Therefore, here kitchen, there's a stairs to the second floor. Then we're gonna close this entrance to the second floor. Then we're gonna make a new entrance from the living room side to the second floor, so that we can make a new big kitchen from here to the door to the back porch. Then we installed 4 can lights on the ceiling. All right. If you look at the bathroom, okay, always kitchen and the bathroom was the most important part, right? We already took everything out and then we installed this door lock. We already have a new bathtub here. Okay, it's going to be a completely new bathroom. Okay, then. Therefore, plumbing work, okay, as I said, we already installed new electrical wiring, and rough electrical work is done. Okay? Therefore, what we have to do is just install the light fixtures. And the plumbing work is the same. Since we installed, okay, we don't need to change any plumbing work here. Okay, we're gonna install a new sink and a new toilet. At the kitchen, okay, this is a sink. This is a dishwasher. Therefore, there's no dishwasher here. Therefore, we installed the new plumbing work here. That's the only plumbing work we did. Then, other than that, we already start painting of the entire house. We have a 2-bedroom on the second floor. It's a good condition of the floor. Therefore, we just installed 2 lights. Also, switch to the closet. Therefore, this is almost done. And then, second floor, there's another bedroom here. We took the carpet out. Okay, the floor is the last thing to do, but we took the carpet out. Then we're going to install vinyl planks in this area, also in the basement. Then other than that, we installed the light here. And we already painted in the room. Okay, let's go to the basement. This is the basement. It was good condition, but we are trying to make this basement also brand new. That's why, okay, first there was one door to the bathroom. Also from the bathroom, there was a door to the furnace room. But we closed this door. Then we made a new door here. Then we can go to the bathroom. From here, we can go to the UTT room separately. Okay, same with the first floor bathroom. We demolished the old shower. Then also we took the old cabinet. Therefore, ceiling needs to be lower, but we're gonna make a new shower, new sink, new mirror. Then we're gonna replace the new toilet too. Therefore, this bathroom also looks very new. Here, there was no closet in this bedroom. We extended this area up to here. We made a new closet in here. Other than that, we are installing new vinyl planks on the floor. Then we already started painting the entire basement too. Then this looks like a brand new basement. Okay? As I said, this is not the gut rehab. We are not changing the structure at all. We are updating most of the areas and then make this house looks new. We are expecting to finish this project within next 1 month. I'm gonna show you after we completely finished. Thank you.